Welcome back to the channel, your daily dose of simple, science-backed nutrition and wellness wisdom designed to slot seamlessly into even the busiest of schedules. Here, every tip, recipe, and quick hack is chosen to help you build a healthier routine without overhauling your life overnight. Whether you're squeezing in a midweek workout, looking for fiber-rich swaps to keep you full and focused, or craving a caffeine-free energy boost, you'll find actionable ideas that respect your time and taste buds. Think of this space as your personal wellness laboratory. Each video is an experiment you can try immediately, with measurable results and no complicated jargon. You'll learn how to prime your mornings for productivity, navigate social gatherings without derailing progress, and cultivate sustainable habits that stick long after the likes and comments fade.
Day 1. Welcome to day 1 of our week-long plant-based protein challenge. Over the next 7 days, we're swapping out animal proteins and discovering how a carefully planned, plant-first approach can keep your muscles fueled, your energy steady, and your digestion happy. Today, we start at ground zero, the grocery store and your kitchen counter. Think of this day as the foundation for everything that follows. Get your ingredients right, and every meal will fall into place. First stop, fresh produce. Load up on spinach, kale, and mixed greens. These alone aren't massive protein sources, but they pack micronutrients, iron, calcium, magnesium, that support muscle function and recovery. A big handful of spinach in your post-workout smoothie or quinoa bowl adds fiber and vitamins that help your body absorb every gram of plant protein you eat this week. Next, bell peppers, cherry tomatoes, and cucumbers for crunch and hydration. Then sweet potatoes. Their complex carbs will sustain you through workouts and deliver vitamin A for immune support. Now let's hit the legumes. Canned or dried chickpeas and black beans are non-negotiable. 1 cup of cooked chickpeas gives you roughly 15 grams of protein, plus fiber and slow-burning carbs. Black beans bring another 15 grams and powerful antioxidants called anthocyanins. Lentils vary by type, but average 18 grams of protein per cooked cup. We'll use red lentils for quick dal, green lentils for salads, and brown lentils for hearty stews. Whole grains are next. Quinoa stands out. It's a complete protein, offering 8 grams of protein per cooked cup and all 9 essential amino acids. We'll pair that with brown rice or farro for variety. Each gives about 5 grams of protein per serving and a comforting chew. Oats aren't negligible either, around 6 grams per half cup dry. Perfect for power breakfasts and snack bars. Don't forget nut butters and fortified plant milks. Almond butter offers 7 grams of protein per 2 tablespoons. Peanut butter, about 8. Soy milk hits 9 grams per cup, one of the highest protein milks available, while oat milk offers creaminess and 3 grams of protein. Finally, seeds and soy products. Pumpkin seeds deliver 7 grams of protein per ounce plus magnesium. Chia seeds add 5 grams per ounce and a dose of omega-3s. Hemp seeds pack 10 grams per 3 tablespoons and a near-perfect amino acid profile. Firm tofu brings 10 grams of protein per 3 ounces, tempeh nearly 18. These will anchor mini lunches and dinners this week. Back home, it's meal prep time. Batch cook quinoa, brown rice, and farro into separate containers. Roast sweet potatoes and bell peppers with olive oil, paprika, and salt. Drain and rinse chickpeas for quick roasting or blending. Press and cube tofu, then marinate it in tamari, garlic, ginger, and a touch of maple syrup. Steam and crumble tempeh for taco filling. For breakfast, we're setting up 2 options: overnight oats and chia pudding. Combine steel-cut oats with soy milk, a scoop of plant protein, almond butter, and berries. Store in jars. For chia pudding, mix chia seeds, oat milk, vanilla, and agave. Top with hemp seeds. Tomorrow morning, you'll have 2 grab-and-go breakfasts loaded with protein and fiber. Lunch prep includes a Mediterranean chickpea salad. Chickpeas, cucumber, tomato, red onion, parsley, lemon juice, olive oil. And a big batch of red lentil soup spiced with cumin, coriander, and turmeric. Dinner prep features tofu stir-fry with broccoli and snap peas, plus tempeh tacos wrapped in collard greens and topped with avocado. With your fridge stocked and meals prepped, you're ready to tackle day 2. A little planning now frees up brainpower for whatever life throws at you. Training sessions, work calls, family dinners, while keeping protein targets in sight. Tomorrow, we'll dive into how these meals translate into energy, performance, and digestive comfort. See you then. Day 2 of our plant-based protein challenge starts now. After yesterday's prep, today is all about putting those meals into action. From sunrise smoothies to evening dinners, we're tracking energy levels, workout performance, and how your body feels. Spoiler alert. Many people are amazed by how sustained their fuel feels once they commit to consistent protein spacing across the day. Breakfast at 7 a.m. I grab a jar of protein-boosted overnight oats, soy milk, a scoop of pea protein powder, almond butter, and berries. That's about 20 grams of protein before my first coffee. I top with pumpkin seeds for crunch and an extra 3 grams. 30-minute check. Energy feels steady, no mid-morning slump. By 10 a.m., I'm at my desk, focused and snack-free. The combination of slow-digesting oats and fiber from chia keeps my blood sugar stable. In the past, I'd reach for something sweet here. Today, I'm cruising. Lunch at 12:30 p.m. Mediterranean chickpea salad. 1 cup chickpeas, 15 g protein. Plus herbs, olive oil, and lemon. Aftertaste is bright, and energy remains high. Snack at 3 p.m. A cup of red lentil soup, around 18 grams of protein, plus iron and B vitamins. This fills me up and keeps my brain sharp. Pre-workout at 5 p.m. 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds stirred into a banana peanut butter wrap. That little snack adds 8 grams of protein and healthy fats to prime my muscles. I hit the gym feeling satiated but light. Workout. 45 minutes of strength training circuits, lower body compounds, followed by high-intensity intervals. Energy stayed strong and I recovered between sets quickly. No low-fuel drag. Post-workout at 6:30 p.m. Protein smoothie, 1 scoop rice pea blend, 20 g. A cup of spinach, half a banana, water. 22 grams of complete protein, no bloating. Digestive comfort. 0 complaints. Dinner at 8 p.m. Tofu stir-fry with broccoli, snap peas, and brown rice. 3 ounces of tofu delivers 10 grams of protein. Rice adds 5. Veggies bring fiber and micronutrients. A tamari ginger garlic marinade ties it all together. Still no discomfort. Tonight was smooth. Before bed at 10 p.m., I log my totals: 15 g breakfast, plus 17 g lunch, plus 18 g snack, plus 8 g pre-workout, plus 22 g post-workout, plus 15 g dinner, equals 95 grams of protein. That's nearly 2 grams per kilogram of body weight. Ideal for muscle maintenance and growth. Mood energized. Digestion on point. Tomorrow we'll shake things up with new recipes and keep tracking. Days 3 and 4 are when patterns begin to emerge. You've prepped, tasted, and tracked. Now it's time to introduce variety, see how your energy curves shift, and ensure each meal isn't just functional but genuinely enjoyable. Day 3 breakfast at 7:30 a.m. Chia pudding topped with berries and hemp seeds. With chia seeds at 5 grams of protein per ounce and hemp seeds at 10 grams per 3 tablespoons, combined with soy milk, we're at 18 grams before coffee. Morning snack at 10 a.m. A homemade oat banana protein bar, oats, peanut butter, a scoop of pea protein, dates, and cinnamon, about 12 grams of protein. Energy smooth, no sugar crash. Lunch at 1 p.m. Quinoa black bean salad, 1 cup quinoa, 8 g, half a cup black beans, 7 g, 2 tablespoons pumpkin seeds, 7 g. Total, 22 grams of protein, plus fiber and color. This spice-dusted bowl keeps things interesting. Pre-workout at 4:30 p.m. Half a cup of steamed edamame, 9 grams of protein, and a few almonds. Quick, plant-powered fuel. Workout. A full-body EMOM with kettlebell swings, push-ups, and lunges. My plant-powered fuel carried me strongly through high-intensity intervals. No lag. Post-workout at 6 p.m. Spinach pea protein smoothie, 1 scoop pea isolate, 24 g. A cup of kale, half an apple, water. Efficient recovery, and I'm back to cooking dinner within 30 minutes. Dinner at 8 p.m. Lentil mushroom meatballs over spaghetti squash. For meatballs deliver about 20 grams of protein. 2 cups of squash add 4 more. Comfort food vibes, total digestibility, 0 cramps. Day 3 wrap. Protein total hits 95 grams again. Energy curve. Strong morning. Slight dip at 3 p.m. that snack smoothed out. Digestive note. Chia pudding sat a bit heavy. Next time I'll cut seeds by a tablespoon. Day 4 breakfast at 8 a.m. Tofu scramble 3 ounces tofu 10g, kale, peppers, turmeric and nutritional yeast, 2 grams per tablespoon. Total, 14 grams, plus a slice of whole wheat toast for 4 more grams. Mid-morning snack at 10:30 a.m. A bowl of edamame hummus. Half a cup edamame base gives 12 grams of protein, paired with carrot sticks. Bright, filling, fiber-rich. Lunch at 1 p.m. Buddha bowl 1 cup brown rice 5g, half a package tempeh 15g, roasted veggies and a tahini lemon drizzle. Total, 20 grams of protein plus micronutrients and healthy fats. Pre-workout at 4 p.m. Apple slices with 2 tablespoons of almond butter, 8 grams of protein, plus slow-burning fats for steady energy. Workout, a 30-minute HIIT session with plyometrics and core work. I felt explosive and agile, plant proteins performing in high-intensity efforts. Post-workout at 5:30 p.m. Rice hemp protein shake 20g, mixed with water. Clean, fast-absorbing fuel with no bloating. Dinner at 7:30 p.m. Tempeh tacos on corn tortillas, 18 grams of protein from tempeh, plus fiber-rich toppings. Light, flavorful, satisfying. Day 4 summary. Total protein around 95 to 100 grams again. Energy remained remarkably consistent, even with back-to-back workouts. Digestion 0 issues. Tomorrow we'll introduce new recipes and see if hitting 100 grams becomes second nature. Days 5 and 6. As we hit days 5 and 6, your body's adaptation is in full swing. This is where small tweaks, swapping grains, adding extra seeds, adjusting portions, can make a noticeable difference in performance
Thank you for tuning
and
in
W.
and investing these few minutes in yourself. Your future self will thank you. If you leave here with one new insight, tip, or tasty recipe idea, consider today a win. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so our weekly healthy hacks land straight in your feed. I love hearing which ideas resonate most, so drop your questions, feedback, or your own quick prep creations in the comments below. And before you go, explore the video library for deep dives into meal prep secrets, morning mobility routines, and simple mindset shifts that turn small actions into big results. Until next time, stay curious, stay consistent, and keep thriving.